Hi there, I'm a dragon, and I'm excited to read to you my favorite book, Dragons Love Tacos by Adam Rubin and illustrated by Daniel Salmieri. Hey kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They love really big, gigantic tacos and tiny little baby tacos as well. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell from the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey dragon, why do you guys love tacos so much? But wait! As much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes a dragon's ears smoke. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles, and when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes, lettuce, cheese. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. Hey dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? Dragons love parties. They like costume parties and pool parties. They like gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties with charades. Why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversation. Maybe it's the dancing. Maybe it's the comforting sound of a good friend's laughter. The only thing dragons love more than parties or tacos is taco parties. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you'll need buckets of tacos, pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a taco party. After all, dragons love tacos. Hey dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music. They love the decorations. They especially love the tacos. Congratulations! It's a good thing you got rid of all that spicy... Wait a second. What are those little green things in the salsa? You didn't read the fine print? Dragons, listen to me. Do not eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you are not gonna love those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Too late. Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe they're good Samaritans. Maybe they feel bad for wrecking it. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. After all, dragons love tacos.
Welcome friends, my name is Mary from Team GCM, and today we're going to be creating walking tacos. How do you make walking tacos, you may ask? Check it out. First, you'll have to gather all your supplies to make walking tacos. So of course, you have your ground beef and taco mix. If you don't have taco seasoning mix, there will be a list of spices you could use to make your very own in the instructions below. And then your little bag of Doritos. Then you'll also have to have your favorite toppings. So I have spinach for my tacos. I have olives, cheddar cheese, a mixture of tomato, onion, and peppers, avocado, and lastly, but not least, sour cream. Some cooking supplies you'll need is some cooking spray, a nice pan, a bowl, a fork, a knife, and a little cutting board. Don't forget your measuring tools. Start by having your adult brown the ground beef in your sprayed pan. Next, add in your taco seasoning. And don't forget a 1/4 cup of water. Cover your mixture and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After your 5 minutes are up, uncover the ground beef and mix it all up. Then you just set it aside. Next is my favorite part. We're gonna take our little Doritos bag and we're gonna crush the chips inside so they're all tiny. You can shake it, you can crush it, however way you'd like. Once you prepare all your toppings, ta-da! There it all is. You can put it all in your Doritos bag and slide in your vegetables. Next, we're gonna slide in how many spoonfuls of ground beef you'd like. Finish it off with a handful of cheese. And of course, a little spoonful of sour cream. Mix up all your ingredients, and now you've got a walking taco. Now, whether you're walking talking, or dancing, your walking taco is ready to roll whenever you are. And that's it for today, friends. Thanks for joining me in making the delicious walking tacos. I hope you enjoyed your time here today, and be sure to check out more videos just like this at GCM at Home. Bye for now, friends.